Hello everyone, today we'll be making some brown stew fish.
The first step is to clean up the fish. By that I mean is to scale, take the fins off, get rid of the gills and the intestines. Next, wash the fish and cut it into the size you want. You can also leave it whole if it's small enough. After that, we add the seasoning. Our fish is already seasoned. We used black pepper, salt, mixed herbs, garlic granules, and fish seasoning. Now we're going to fry the fish.
After frying up the fish, we're using a little bit of the oil to fry up the vegetable. To the oil we're adding some garlic, some red onions, some sweet pepper, tomatoes, and some thyme, and leave it to saute for about 2 minutes. Now we're going to make the sauce. Add some barbecue sauce, some ketchup, and a bit of water. Stir it all up. Add your okra and leave it to simmer. Turn it over on the other side after about a minute. And we're done. This is the end product of the brown stew fish. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.